Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to commend the chairperson of the Public Service Commission, Ambassador Anthony Muchiri, for undertaking this difficult but noble task that will go a long way in restoring integrity in our public service. In general, ladies and gentlemen, the effects of hiring unqualified employees, it decreases our productivity and performance, while it also lowers the quality of our work, negative impact on team morale and engagement.
Reports so far received reveal that substantial cases of forged academic and professional certificates have been used for the award of appointments, promotions, or redesignation in the public service. Most ministries, departments, and agencies with verified cases of forged or fraudulently obtained certificates have instituted disciplinary action, including termination of service.
To be in the League of Nations that are developed. And so it is very important that we preserve the integrity of our education system and the certification that shows and indicates the level to which a person has gone through school and qualified. When that is undermined, then we undermine the whole foundation of our society, development, and our place.
Toyoka ginyagia county ni ya Machakos na ni